So when's the best time to open up an exterior wall and just tear it all out and replace it? December in Northern Illinois. That's what I'm going to do. Coming up. I'm Roger, and once again not in the shop but at the renovation house, and it's late December, just a little bit before Christmas, and we got a couple days here. It's going to be in the 40s. So I'm going to open up this outside wall, tear out the old existing windows, tear out all the existing I guess you could call studs. It's just a bunch of hodgepodge stuff, and tear out a really old door and get the whole thing replaced. And although it's going to be in the 40s, we got like gale force winds blowing, but this is going to be my best opportunity to do it, and this is one of those things that need to get done. So I'm going to get at it, and we'll take you along for the ride. So there it is. We got a wall, we got a door, we got a window. Everything's closed up. It's December 22nd, and like I said, we're in Northern Illinois. When I first started out this morning, this was a 2-day project. I did the first section yesterday, getting the window in, and then today I did the door, which I'm glad I waited to do it today because it was quite the challenge. We had nothing straight, nothing plumb, everything crooked, and I had quite a time getting that framed up and squared up enough to get that door in that tight space. As I mentioned before, we had a lot of wind, so that's why part of this was just you kind of watch the progress, listen to a little music. It would have been impossible to try to record anything outdoors with audio, because all you would have heard was a big rush of wind, especially yesterday when it was up to 45, 50 miles an hour and coming off the Mississippi River, and it was a little cool because we're really close to the river here. But at any rate, if you got something out of this, appreciate getting a thumbs up. Of course, always looking for subscribers. Next to that subscribe button is a little bell. You click that bell, you'll be notified when I post another video. But I'm Roger at the Renovation House, not in the shop. We'll see you on the next one. This is an ongoing project. Thanks for watching.